Hi guys, come with us to the M3GAN 2.0 premiere! Bing, bing, bing! That's like 10 arrows! It's like DD. 10 arrows! I just want to say a huge thank you to Blumhouse for inviting us out to come to the premiere of M3GAN 2.0. You could see how excited we are in this whole video, and at the end, we talk more about our thoughts. Oh my god! Okay, there's the AMC we're trying to get to. Oh, but here's all the black Escalades.
At the light, turn right onto Columbus Avenue. Then take the first right onto West 67.
Guys, this is like literally crazy. Yes, queen. Bye, Megan. There goes the M3GANs. So cool. Hey guys.
Hi.
By a crazy turn of events, we were at the M3GAN premiere.
Yeah. Blumhouse invited Ashley to come see the premiere tonight in New York, so that's
Like
crazy.
This is crazy. Look, we're at the AMC theaters in New York City, and there's a red carpet outside.
Yeah, we just
I don't even know if you can hear us.
Yeah, we just saw a few of the stars. It's literally so fun.
It's crazy. This glare is nuts too.
But yeah, this is I think the last we can record. It says no recording.
Classic. This is just casual.
Like the last little bit we could probably record for some, but we'll tell you how it is at the end for sure.
Renee. We got popcorn. My drinks over there. This is crazy, Renee. This is crazy. They so kindly provided us with popcorn and drinks. Thank you.
It's been a lot to do, which is great. We really appreciate it.
Guys, I was just casually buttering my popcorn because I gotta stay true to who I am. This is crazy.
It's been a lot to do. Really appreciate it.
Yes, I was buttering my popcorn. I don't know if you could see it in that last video, but where am I? Okay guys, we just got out of M3GAN. It's so good. But we'll tell you more in the car or outside.
Yeah.
But like,
It's so good.
what an opportunity. This is so cool. Ooh, it scared me. Look at our girl with her sunglasses. She's so sweet. Hello. Wait, that was the director of the movie. Just trying to go to Magnolia Bakery, and now we're stuck with them leaving.
Oh my god, what is that?
Hi guys,
Hi.
Welcome back. I'm Ashley.
I'm Renee.
And we got invited by Blumhouse to go see M3GAN 2.0.
Yep. From Blumhouse. Sent us to the the red carpet was there. We saw some fun people.
We had to go the side entrance,
Yeah.
which is fine.
Yeah.
I don't need to go on the red carpet.
Yeah.
But the whole cast was here.
The whole cast was here. We saw them.
It was crazy.
The movie was so good.
It was so good.
It was so good.
It was so fun. And like, I felt like I was like, kept telling myself, am I watching like a Marvel?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like the way
was
it
definitely
was
like
action packed and it was just so good.
Yeah, like very high caliber.
Yeah.
Some of this shots is like so cinematic too.
Yeah.
It was really cool.
And it was funny.
Very
we were cracking
funny.
up.
Very funny.
But yeah, it was so fun.
It was
And
good.
I'm so thankful that like Blumhouse
Yeah.
sent that email saying, hey, you guys want to go to
the premiere.
the premiere?
We were like,
At first I was like, yeah, we said yes because we literally were just like, okay, they're gonna just send us tickets to go see it at an
Yeah.
AMC. But then I clicked on the link like the day before even, and I was like, oh, this is like the full event,
This
the
is
world
full
premiere.
event. There was like a layout, like here's this, here's that, and we were like,
Yeah,
oh.
I'll try to insert the picture here,
Yeah.
and you can see where it says like red carpet and then entrance for guests, like guests that were invited, and it was just crazy. All the M3GANs were everywhere, the new M3GANs,
Yeah.
and yeah,
Yeah.
it was a really fun time.
Yeah, we're such big fans of Blumhouse, so
Yeah.
like, it was really cool to be invited.
Yeah, and we're so excited for like what they have coming next.
Oh my gosh, I
they have
know.
Five Nights at Freddy's 2
And the Black Phone 2.
and the Black Phone 2, and we love all of those.
Yeah.
And we will be seated for those
Yes,
as
we
well.
will.
And
Yes,
we are
we will.
going to see M3GAN again on Friday.
Yes, we are.
Sorry, M3GAN 2.0. I keep saying just
M3GAN
M3GAN.
2.0. Yeah.
We will be there again on Friday with our own money.
Yep.
But this
So
was
good.
crazy.
Yeah.
Like, what?
I know. Just a Tuesday night here in New York.
And we were at a red carpet event. I worked this morning, and
Yeah.
now we're at a red carpet
I
event.
know. It's crazy.
Crazy. Thanks
Yeah.
for watching,
Yeah,
guys.
thanks. Just like a little fun.
Also, guys, we are in New York City.
Yeah.
This is the New York City premiere.
And 2.0.
Yeah, it comes out on Friday, and this is Tuesday. For the banana pudding. The banana pudding. The sweet treat after an eventful night. We got one for our parents too.
It's a lot.
But like, you know, let me see the top.
It's really good.
Wait, I need to smell it. Okay. I love banana pudding. Renee's gonna do the first taste test. Magnolia Bakery. It's like, what time is it? Like 11 o'clock at night
Yeah, so good.
in New York City on a Tuesday.
Yeah, so we just saw M3GAN. We now have we have more time to like think about things now, and like how exciting. We first saw her at HHN.
Yeah.
We didn't even see the movies yet, and then after we went, we like loved the character so much.
And then we forced our friend to go see it when it was back in theaters for,
For the
Halfway to
anniversary-
Halloween.
Oh yeah, halfway to Halloween.
yeah.
And we were just like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be so fun. But now seeing the new movie, I think it's gonna be, if it's a house, like that would be very, very cool.
It would be really
Very,
cool.
very cool.
But also, Five Nights at Freddy's is supposed to be something, a house,
Oh
a walkthrough, something.
definitely,
And,
definitely.
like, Blumhouse is the one who's doing Five Nights at Freddy.
Yeah, I can't wait to see what they have at HHN. Like, it's gonna be awesome.
But do you remember last year, Blumhouse had the whole...
Like a scare zone. Was it a scare zone that year? I don't know. We've seen them a lot.
There was the scare zone of like all of the houses. Okay,
Yeah.
I mean all of they're like... you
They're
know,
people, yeah.
Popular movies.
Yeah.
But then also they had, in the Dead Coconut Club,
Yes. Yeah.
there was a whole upstairs part that had a Blumhouse bar,
Yeah.
and they had the M3GAN doll there.
Yeah.
that they use in the movie, I think.
Yeah.
So like, they like are part of Halloween Horror Nights now, and we love Halloween Horror Nights, and we love Blumhouse.
I know. I can't wait for all the other movies.
So
and
like the fact that like
that we were invited.
we were in their email list, and like our names were on the guest list.
So
That's
cool.
crazy. That's crazy.
It's an honor. It's an honor.
Yeah.
We love scary stuff. But yeah, here's
And I
us
love banana pudding.
just reminiscing and eating our banana pudding before we drive back to PA.
Truly the city that never sleeps. Everyone's just walking around, including this dog. He's like... Okay. I love Blumhouse and I love Halloween Horror Nights.
The end. That's it. Perfect night.
Period. And I love I love Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding. Wow.